What if I told you the secret to making an engine last 300,000 miles is not hidden in some expensive additive, crazy tuning trick, or luxury badge? The real secret is actually something Japanese automakers have been mastering for decades, building engines that are simple, overbuilt, and designed to survive abuse. While many modern luxury engines struggle with turbo failures, oil leaks, and electronic nightmares before 150,000 miles, Japanese engines from brands like Toyota, Honda, Lexus, and Acura regularly cross 250,000, 300,000, and even 500,000 miles with basic maintenance. In fact, reliability studies consistently place Japanese brands at the top, while many European luxury brands rank lower because of higher repair complexity and more frequent failures. In this video, we are revealing the 300,000-mile secrets that make Japanese engines outlast modern luxury rivals. Let's explore these secrets one by one. Secret number 1. Japanese engines are built with simplicity in mind. One of the biggest reasons Japanese engines last so long is because they are not overloaded with unnecessary complexity. Many luxury automakers love adding twin turbos, complicated air suspension systems, high-strung direct injection systems, and dozens of electronic modules. Those features can make the car feel more exciting when it is new, but they also create more failure points as the car ages. Japanese automakers often stick with proven engine designs for many years. Instead of reinventing everything every few years, they make small improvements to existing engines. That means they already know where the weak points are and fix them over time. This is why engines like Toyota's naturally aspirated V6s or Honda's inline-4 engines can survive hundreds of thousands of miles. Consumer Reports data shows that brands like Lexus, Toyota, Honda, and Acura consistently score at the top for long-term reliability because they improve their engines gradually instead of constantly introducing risky new systems. Secret number 2. Conservative engineering. Luxury brands love building engines that squeeze huge power out of small displacement. That sounds exciting, but it also creates more heat, more pressure, and more wear. Japanese brands take a very different approach. They purposely build engines that are understressed and capable of handling more power than they actually produce. For example, a Japanese V6 making 270 horsepower may be built strong enough to handle 350 horsepower without problems, but the manufacturer limits it to improve reliability. This means the engine does not have to work at its limit every day. Lower stress means lower wear on pistons, bearings, timing chains, gaskets, and cooling systems. This is why Japanese engines often feel smooth and relaxed even at high mileage. They are not designed to impress someone during a 10-minute test drive. They are designed to survive 20 years of commuting, highway driving, traffic jams, and long road trips. Many Toyota engines are known to last between 250,000 and 350,000 miles when properly maintained. Toyota's famous 3.5-liter V6 is especially known for crossing 300,000 miles with only basic maintenance, such as oil changes, spark plugs, and water pumps. Some fleet vehicles using this engine average nearly 280,000 miles before retirement. Secret number 3. Use of proven parts for years. A major secret behind Japanese engine longevity is that they do not rush to replace parts that already work well. Many luxury brands constantly redesign engines, transmissions, and electronics to keep up with trends. The problem is that brand new systems often come with brand new problems. Japanese automakers often keep the same engine family in production for 10 years or longer. That gives engineers plenty of time to improve weak spots, fix oil leaks, strengthen timing chains, and improve cooling systems. For example, many Toyota and Honda engines share similar designs across multiple generations of vehicles. This means the company already knows how the parts behave over time, mechanics already know how to repair them, and replacement parts are easier to find and cheaper to buy. Meanwhile, Many luxury brands introduce all-new engines so often that even dealerships are still figuring out how to fix them. That is one reason why first-generation luxury engines can become nightmares after the warranty expires. Secret number 4. Japanese engines usually avoid overcomplicated turbo systems. One of the biggest reasons Japanese engines survive longer is that many Japanese brands were slow to switch to turbocharging. Luxury brands started using small turbocharged engines everywhere because they wanted more power and better fuel economy numbers. The problem is that turbocharged engines run hotter, create more pressure, and put more stress on engine parts. Turbochargers can spin at speeds up to 200,000 to 280,000 revolutions per minute and reach temperatures above 1,600 degrees Fahrenheit. That extra heat can damage oil, hoses, seals, and bearings over time. Turbo engines also have more parts that can fail, including intercoolers, wastegates, turbo bearings, and oil lines. Naturally aspirated engines are simpler because they do not have those extra components. They run cooler, use fewer parts, and usually experience less internal stress. According to recent reliability estimates, turbocharged engines have roughly a 4.8% failure rate over 3 years, compared to around 2.1% for naturally aspirated engines. That is why older Japanese engines without turbos often last much longer than many modern luxury turbo engines. While a turbocharged luxury car may feel faster when new, the naturally aspirated Japanese engine is often still running years after the luxury car needs expensive repairs. Secret number 5. Better manufacturing quality control. Japanese manufacturers are famous for their strict factory quality standards. They pay close attention to how engines are assembled, how parts fit together, and how problems are detected before the car even leaves the factory. This attention to detail may not sound exciting, but it is a huge reason why Japanese engines last so long. If an engine is built with tight tolerances, proper sealing, and consistent assembly, it is less likely to develop oil leaks, cooling issues, or internal wear later in life. Luxury brands often spend more money on fancy interiors, large screens, and high-end features. But if the engine itself is not assembled carefully, all of those luxury features become meaningless when the car starts breaking down. Japanese factories are known for treating engine building almost like a science. That is why you rarely hear about massive quality disasters from brands like Toyota and Honda, compared to some luxury rivals that constantly struggle with oil leaks, timing chain failures, and electrical issues. Secret number 6. Japanese brands prioritize reliability over constant redesigns. Many luxury automakers are always chasing the newest technology, the newest touchscreen, the newest engine design, and the newest electronic feature. While that can look impressive in advertisements, it can also create more things that break over time. Japanese brands often take a different approach. They prefer to wait until a technology is fully tested before adding it to their cars. That means fewer surprises for the owner and fewer expensive failures later. This is one reason why Japanese hybrids are often more reliable than many other vehicles. Instead of rushing into new technology, brands like Toyota and Honda spent years refining their hybrid systems. Consumer reports found that hybrids from reliable Japanese brands tend to have fewer problems than many gas-only vehicles, and far fewer problems than many EVs and plug-in hybrids. Secret number 7. Japanese luxury cars are cheaper to maintain. One major reason Japanese engines survive longer is because owners can actually afford to maintain them. A Lexus oil change, brake job, or cooling system repair is usually much cheaper than the same repair on a German luxury car. When maintenance costs are reasonable, owners are more likely to do the work on time. They change the oil, replace the coolant, service the transmission, and fix small problems before they turn into major engine failures. Luxury brands with expensive maintenance often create the opposite situation. Owners delay repairs because the costs are so high. A simple oil leak can turn into a destroyed engine because the owner could not afford the repair bill. Lexus is a perfect example. Average annual repair costs for Lexus vehicles are around $550, which is far lower than many European luxury rivals. BMW owners, for example, often spend between $900 and $1,300 per year on maintenance, and their chance of major repairs over 10 years can be nearly double that of Lexus owners. At the end of the day, the real secret behind 300,000-mile Japanese engines is not magic. It is discipline. Japanese automakers focus on proven designs, conservative engineering, simple systems, lower stress, better quality control, and long-term durability. That is why so many older Japanese cars are still on the road today, while many luxury rivals are already facing expensive repairs. If you want a car that lasts forever, stop chasing flashy badges and start paying attention to the engineering hiding underneath the hood. And subscribe the channel for more amazing car care tips and tricks.